It.
When you wanna read? You want me to spell something for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
Kapa. Kapa. Kapa.
Amor, what does that say?
It is so.
Say it again.
So.
Can you say it again? Come here. Say it slower this time. Amor, what does this say? What's that say, baby?
It's the so.
Winter fair. Good job. You're so smart. You're so clever. What does that say?
So.
Snow. Good job. Let's add something onto it. Amor, how about this? What does that say?
So move.
Snowman. Good girl. You're so smart. I wonder if this is how you feel right now, Amor. Can you tell me? Amor, what's this word? Where'd you go? Come here, baby. Come here and tell me what this word is. What's this?
Happy.
Is that how you feel right now? Are you happy? How do you feel? Amor, is that juice good? Amor. How do you feel? Are you happy?
Yay.
Yeah? Okay. Don't know if we have another N. Make this an N, or try. See if she notices the difference. She's pretty clever, this child, so I used a Z for an N. Amor, what does this say?
Running.
What does it say?
Running.
Can you show me what running is? What's running?
Running.
Show me running. Show me. Show me. Can you run?
Oh.
Run. Run real fast. Run, 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 run. Good job.
Ah.
Amor, what's that word?
Lovely.
Loving. You're right. You're so smart. Give myself some room here. Let's try. Where's the eye?
And then. Kiss.
Oh, well, I didn't even get the other S in there before you told me what it was. What's that word?
Kiss.
Good job. What if I add an ing to it? What does it make? Come here. Come here, smarty pants. Let's see. I added ing. What does that spell?
Speaking.
Kissing. Can you say it one more time? Aw, you giving it a kiss?
Yeah.
Yeah. Aw, I love you. You're so sweet, baby.